Here's how to make Feels Like Home from the Boba Plug's DIY kit. You're going to need our signature black tea, water, Taiwanese black sugar, USA made boba, and your preferred choice of milk. First things first, you're going to need to boil some water. Then pour the boba into a bowl so it can loosen up. Once your water is boiled, then you can finally put your boba inside the pot. Stir the boba until it starts floating. Boil the boba for the next 20 minutes and make sure to stir every 5 minutes. Then after the 20 minutes, turn off the stove and let the boba cool for 10 minutes. While your boba is cooling, let's make the black sugar syrup. First, combine equal parts Taiwanese black sugar and hot water into a pot. Let it boil, and once the syrup is able to coat the back of a spoon, it is finished. Combine the syrup and the cooked boba and let it steep for 5 minutes. Did you know, just like pasta or tofu, boba takes on the flavors that it is incorporated with? While your boba is soaking, let's prepare the tea. First, let's get the signature black tea and grab 1.5 tablespoons and put it inside your tea bag. Then in a separate cup, combine the tea bag and 1 cup of boiling water and let it steep for 5 minutes. And now we're ready to assemble the drink. First, swirl around the Taiwanese black sugar syrup, then add boba, ice, and then milk, our signature black tea, stir, and enjoy. Congrats! You have now made the Boba Plug's Feels Like Home DIY Boba Kit. Thank you for supporting our small business, and we hope you enjoy with your friends and family.